Hi, good afternoon, it's me again, Spiller the IT Headhunter. And at the moment I'm looking for an AWS Cloud Engineer who will be responsible for the AWS part of the KBC Cloud Platform. As for the team, their job is architectural design, engineering, integration and the maintenance of AWS Cloud environment, and the focus here is on technology and infrastructure services. We are currently maintaining the landing zone for foundation services. Everything ranging from security, monitoring and logging, networking, IAM, costs, governance, and so on and so on. And the application development is handled by DevOps teams. As for your job, you will work closely together with the DevOps teams and you will be involved in feasibility studies on new technologies and services. And of course, you will have to design different services with a special focus on security, maintainability, flexibility and efficiency. And of course, you will also have to work with architects and analysts on a final design. You will work in an agile environment with product owners and scrum masters and with software engineers on effective positioning and service offerings. You will have to maintain operational stability and efficiency in production, and you will be involved in a 24/7 support and in an on-call duty during the week mostly, and sometimes for some weekend releases as well. Engineering and maintenance for business units and departments is also part of the job. You will have to work with multiple customers, each having their own requirements and deadlines. Incident and release management and disaster recovery is also your task. As for the expectations, you should be well versed with design principles in public cloud. We require AWS basic infrastructure including Portal and CLI. Terraform experience is what we require. Python scripting knowledge, infrastructure as code principles, test-driven coding, CICD on AWS including CodePipeline, CodeBuild and step functions. We are looking for somebody who is a true team player, who is sociable and creative, and we require certain flexibility because this is a young platform in a highly evolving ecosystem, and you should also have the ability to create technical and architectural vision and share this vision in a constructive way with your peers and stakeholders. We are looking for someone who is detail and quality oriented, independent, self-starter and an exploring person. And of course, you should follow the public cloud technologies on the market and you should stay positive. Thank you. Goodbye.